most humans do during an earthquake is panic. We panic because we do not know what to do during an earthquake. When outside, move away from buildings, trees, walls and poles or electric lines. When inside a vehicle, pull over in a safe, open place away from buildings, trees and electric poles and wires. Remain inside the vehicle. Learn the technique of drop, cover and hold. If you are living in an earthquake-prone region, keep an emergency kit with a whistle. If trapped in a rubble, sound a whistle. Tap on a pipe or wall. Shout only as a last resort. If we are prepared with a plan, we can protect ourselves during earthquakes. Do not react. Respond. Know how to survive an earthquake. Be smart, be prepared.